Alaikum grade 3. So our project, as you see, we will make a triangle. So how we can do that? As you see, we have here our program. Of course, you know how you can open it, close that. So the first thing we will do, we will go to events. Okay, make this bigger when green flag clicked. Then go to not to repeat, first to extension, get the pen. Then after the pen down. After that, control from repeat, make it 3. After that, motion, move 100 steps, make it 100. After that, turn left 120 degrees. And when we hit the green flag, voila, we have what? The triangle. The last thing I need you to know is I will ask you two questions. That's it. For example, what this block means, you will tell me start the program. What this block means, repeat 3 times. What this block means, start drawing. What this block means, move forward. What this block means, turn left. As you see, here and here and here it's the same thing. So what you need to memorize, the first one, start the program, and pin down, that means start drawing. That's it. Thank you so much. See you in the class. You will get the full mark inshallah. Bye bye.